Hi, I'm Ruger Karstens, president of the UTD Motorsports team here at UT Dallas. We're a Formula SAE team working on competing in our first competition in Lincoln, Nebraska. The Formula SAE competition is primarily an engineering competition. So you design, build, test, and race in an open wheel race car. So the factors that the car is going to be judged on are, you have to make sure the driver's safe. Obviously, that's priority number one. There's cost, there's manufacturability, there's reliability, and of course performance. Your car has to be fast around the track. It has to perform well in all the dynamic events like acceleration, braking, skid pad, endurance racing, and then you have to go through the huge engineering justification portion of the competition, which the judges go over your car with a fine-tooth comb. You have to justify every single thing that you did, not just how you spent the money, but why did you place this joint here? Why did you choose this material? Et cetera, et cetera. So it's a huge undertaking.
My name is Ari Levy. I'm a senior mechanical engineering student here at the University of Texas at Dallas. I've been involved with the team pretty much since the very beginning. A little bit about the FSE competition as a whole is it's pretty much like a engineering and project management competition all put together in one that really encompasses the very beginning of like the conceptual design, the CAD modeling analysis, all the way up to logistics, manufacturability, project management, budgeting, pretty much every aspect that you would encounter in real-world industry, both in the automotive and in other sectors. So it's really an important competition for students to get involved with because it really introduces them to a lot of the real-world challenges that they'll experience after graduation. GoEngineer has been a really big help for us, both in the early design phase and towards the manufacturing phase of our car. One of the people from the Texas branch that we've been really in contact with is Dave Schaller. He helped us out by setting up a SolidWorks tutorial session over at their GoEngineer office, where we had about 10 to 15 of our members come in, and he instructed us on some of the various functions within SolidWorks that we would end up using on our own car.
Pretty much single thing is designed in SolidWorks. It's tested in SolidWorks. And once we design that, we either have it CNC machined, we have it water jet cut, or we have it 3D printed. And when it comes to 3D printing, rapid prototyping has been huge in helping us design things because we can print it out, it's pretty low cost, and we can check fitment, we can check to see if it really does fit up to the car the way that we anticipated it would. So, we pull in people from business, marketing, accounting even sometimes. One of our officers majored in economics. And that really well-rounded team is what helps us be competitive.
So what I'm doing right now in SolidWorks is I'm a part of the ergonomics department. So currently we're trying to design a carbon fiber bucket seat.
I'm working on the software component for the in-dash display as well as our data acquisition system.
Overall, the idea for the simulation racing games here is to essentially see who is fit for the Formula SAE and who can go out and be the test driver to set the fastest lap times out on the Formula SAE track.
So this is our intake manifold. This is actually a prototype of the intake manifold. And then this is part of our finished product manifold printed out of Ultim. We really learned the geometry of 3D printing so that everything comes out well. It's not the same as machining the part out of aluminum or something like that, but it does let you do more intricate work.
Currently I'm working on our up-to-date budget to see if we have funds to go to competition still.
It's running pretty good, honestly. It has a couple little quirks here and there that just comes down to manufacturing stuff and little tweaks that we need to make further on. But in my second run, I did a 68 seconds, which is pretty much up there with a lot of the other established teams. Really promising for a first-year car. So I'm happy to see that. It was a blast to drive. I can't wait to see what they do for next year.